I was broke, living paycheck to paycheck. But in just 30 days, I saved $1,000. And I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step. Most people think saving money is hard, but the truth is, you're just using the wrong system. For 3 days, track every dollar you spend. No guessing, write everything down. Cancel and use subscriptions, reduce eating out, and stop impulse buying. Backhand index pointing right, add urgency. This alone can save you $200 to $400 instantly. Every time you want to spend money, wait 24 hours if it's over $10. You don't just cut expenses, you increase income. Examples: freelancing, selling items online, simple online gigs, set automatic transfers the moment you get paid. Show breakdown. Week 1, $200, week 2, $300, week 3, $250, week 4, $250. If you want more smart money tips like this, subscribe to Tipster Hub, because small tips create big wins.